with a jet engine. The sound of that jet engine, and that allows Bob Carlton to be able to take off without a tow plane. And as he climbs right now, ladies and gentlemen, since 20 years before the Wright brothers invented the tow plane, jet engine now assist him in staying right here in the box, dialing things up a little bit, increasing the speed, and increasing his layer of difficulty of his aerobatics with this big, beautiful wing. That airplane, he has to fly out ahead of it. Because those wings, they don't want to turn. They just want to stay straight and lift. And so now he's added the power of this jet engine, 250 horsepower, and a 40-pound tiny jet engine. And now he's going to dial it up just a little bit. That's Bob Carlton. After all, 65 miles we're on the front. I was around the Brooklyn, New Mexico, where he lives with his wife Lori, and their two dogs, Gigi and Judy. He's 61, flying for over 40 years, and he's won every award there is to win in the Airshow industry. Super Salto. They've been making military-grade hardware for decades, including the APUs on many Russian jet fighters. In fact, that's what this TJ-100 would be used for. 240 pounds of thrust, weighs 40 pounds, and it's just perfect for when Bob likes to. You can see how hard it is for him to turn that right now. That big wing and all that speed. So once again, to get it where he wants it to go, he's got to be well ahead of flight. What happens with rocket scientists over a couple of brewskis and say a fire out in the desert, Next thing you know, he's putting a jet engine on a glider, and he's solving his toe frame problems. He's come up with an award-winning airshow act. And to top this, he's actually designing yet another sailplane with not one, but 2 jet engines on it. What's that? He flies all sorts of stuff as well as helicopters, and he has set records flying up to 15,000 feet in a hot air balloon, hang gliding for over 100 miles, and flying a sailplane over 200 miles, and just loves the ridge waves of New Mexico and other places across America too, and performing at air shows in his jet-powered Super Salto sailplane. For those flying the Vertigo drones, it kind of looks that way right now as he stays inverted with that jet engine. If you want to include, although you can't fly out on the runway, and it's not like you've got a big spring or anything on that wheel, and that's right under the base of his spine. So he wears a nice padded seat, and he loves everything but what he's about to do now. And I often say the hardest work our pilots do here at an air show on a weekend is the landing. So he's setting up to do that, and he'll get towed back in, and I hope you get a chance to talk to Bob later today about soaring, yet another aspect of aviation.